gonna run down there.
Okay.
Yep. Came nearby. Yep. Yeah, Mark's out. There's still another one. Got him. At least you should have called that. There you go. You good, Mark? I forgot about the whole medic thing.
Oh.
I forgot about the whole medic thing. I'm like, why isn't he calling his hit?
Good job, Joe. You really did kill me.
I don't think I did that. That was Mike. Although I shot you once, I think, right?
Yeah, he revived me.
Okay, that's why. Like I said, I forgot about the whole medic thing. I'm like, shit, why is he still alive?
I thought they were just dressed exactly the same.
No, they weren't. One's black and one's gray. You see where that shot came from? Sounded like building. Like that tan building right there. That's what it sounded like. And then I don't know if that bunker's hot. Yeah. Well, there's a team up that's like way back there. Hold up. There's one in the bunker. They're both in there. You're back in.
Chris is right here.
All right. I'm gonna go into this corner. That was cool. And it set off. That's great. Yeah, they're just focused on me right now. Ricocheted into my face. Oh, you got them both? Oh, cool. Well, they have one revive. Oh, okay. I don't know what's over here. Nice. That jet flyover made it all worth it. That was cool. I don't see anything up top yet. Yeah. Maybe I could take that center bunker and get a decent shot on the guys further down.
A little bit when I saw
Yeah. I'm gonna go to that center bunker. Ah, fuck, there's third person in here. Oh well. Forgot there's fucking teams of 3.
Bang, bang.
Forgot there was 3. There's teams of 3.
Son of a bitch.
I know. I know. Oh well. We're both dead, so we can't do anything.
No, we're good.
It's a fun game, man.
Well played, sir.